Hi everyone. So today's session we are not going to learn something, but this is just for fun. Okay, this is kind of fun. You will be enjoying it. So basically, this is a site. This is a company called Tricentrics, and they are having some shift sequence. Okay, shift sync is the site name. So here they are providing some SAP crossword challenge. Okay, so what is a crossword challenge? So basically, you can find just one second. So basically, you can find some crosswords puzzle kind of thing. Okay, so I believe all of you know what is a puzzle. So it's kind of a crossword kind of thing. So here you can see there are some vertical lines are there. So there are some horizontal lines are there. So there will be some information will be available, and you have to fill the blank boxes. Okay, so now this website they are giving some like there is a kind of challenges there, so you can fill this crossword challenge, you can fill it up and you can send it to their email ID. Okay, this is the email ID, you can send it over there. And if you are going to win this puzzle challenge, so you will be getting some reward award or some kind of prizes are there. Okay, so it's kind of fun. And also this is required for SAP, so it is not like we are just it is a just kind of fun kind of activity or something. No, it is related to SAP crossword challenge, so it is mostly related to SAP and the testing automation. Okay, so what is a testing automation, how it is like essential for SAP, I will be explaining you in coming classes. Okay, don't worry about that. But this is a kind of interesting thing, so you can if you need, if you want, you can just participate in this challenge. So it is starting from 26th of March it is starting, and I believe 4th of April is the last date, so you can hurry up and you can try to so you just have to here, you have to come here and you can download this attachment, you can fill it up and you can send it to their email ID. Okay, there is the email ID is there, you can send it over there. So details you can find here. If we go to uh, if you go to our community page, okay, here in the latest community page you can find all of the details. So end date is April 9th. Okay, and the winners will be announced on April 15th. So all of the details are here. Also, you can find it over here. Also, you can find it in our LinkedIn post. Also, you can find all of the details. So try to do this kind of things. Try to fill this this puzzles. Okay, try to um, use your experience, try to use your knowledge. So try to do something funny on the SAP, not only the study way, but it is a kind of fun way to learn the SAP, also to know about the SAP, to know about the automation and all. So I believe it will be very interesting. So in the coming classes we will be discussing about the SAP and automation. Okay, SAP automation and SAP, let's say the automation in the testing or testing automation. What is the testing? How we can automate the testing? What is the testing automation is there? What are the testing tools are there? So we will be discussing in coming classes. In some classes we will be discussing about it. So that's it for today's class. It is nothing in SAP, but it is about SAP. So you can try your knowledge, you can try your luck. So try to fill it up, try to be fast, try to um, be the first to send this, let's say, crossword puzzle, fill it up and send it. And let's see if someone is going to win. So just try to comment in this post. We are having the post in the LinkedIn section, right? We are having a post in the LinkedIn section. So once you are sending the email to this email ID, once you are sending it, then just comment over here. Okay, just comment that I have sent the email or I have participated. Something you can mention. Okay, so this will be very interesting. So see you soon in the next class. Till then, bye bye and take care.